Uy, dapat hindi ka muna mag-drop man. Hold.
Ay, sorry.
Hold. Mana nyo, baka maubos. Hold.
Uy, masyado ko yung abante ha.
Hold lang.
Pardon yun.
Pag sinabi ko full kite boys ha. No hesitation. T9 pala to ano nila. Hila.
Nag-stop ng Royal Robe na yung natin.
Sige lang. Hold lang party, please hold. Let them go the first engage. You counter.
Heal.
Healer, be attentive ha.
Oh, healer to. Mark, may DD. Putang ina, nawala pa ata siya.
Nandito ako.
Hindi yung healer.
Binibait. Hindi, nandito. Healer, are you here? Bro. Healer, are you good?
I'm good.
Okay. Yeah.
Dismount that guy,
Okay.
do not attack, do not dismount.
You dismounting on the back.
Mag-dismount to siya pre, engage agad. Yan o, nasa gitna na natin, sa loob na.
Sige lang. Party hold. Okay, go back now. Go back.
Record,
Yeah, I
disengage
know.
tayo.
It's okay, go back. Full kite. Full kite northwest. 3, 2, 1 on me on this two. Trap. Good. Nice. Full kite boys, Tatak Pinoy, go.
Bro, come here.
Oh my god, what happened? Wala naman, broken agad yung party.